Hi, my name is Brent Veninga, and I'm a teacher and coordinator of the Momentum program with Minnetonka Public Schools. Today we're here at Feldmann Imports with a number of our automotive students, and we're thankful for great businesses like Feldmann and letting our students see not only the service side of things, but the business side of this entire operation. And it really makes our education real and relevant. So we're grateful that our students can see firsthand the operations here at Feldmann.